Coach Greg here. This is our 15-day Summer Sculpt series, day 9. We are going to be focused on our muffin tops, do a little fat burning, a little toning, a little sweating. It's going to be glorious. Let's have some fun. Alrighty, we got to start off with some cross-body knee drives. We'll start one side, then the next. This is the one where we're extended, almost like in a, I don't know, star power pose. And then we're bringing that knee to meet the elbow, extending, just like that. So we'll do 15 seconds one side, 15 seconds the next. We're gonna be fast paced. Let me get my timer. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So extend, boom. Just like that. Make sure you're breathing. Turn that hand over, right? It's up, now it's facing you. That forces you to use your obliques. 3, 2, 1, and we're switching. There it is. Really extend and compress. Boom. Come on, we're having fun. We just started. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job moving along. We have a side reach crunch. Get into super wide positions, toes pointed forward, hands behind your head, and we'll be alternating, crunching from side to side. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Boom, just like this. Feel in your obliques, back to center, other side. There it is. We are getting rid of our muffin tops. As you know, we can't technically spot reduce fat, right? You can't target specific areas, but by doing toning and strength training exercises, you will lose fat overall through your whole body composition, and you will appear slimmer. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and done. Moving along, we have some core rotations. Feet shoulder width apart. I'm gonna do the palms up variation, right? You want your pinkies facing the sky, and we're rotating side to side. You feel it all in your core here. 3, 2, 1, let's go. There it is. For this first set, let's go a little slower, right? Get used to the movement. You can turn your lower body slightly, but we want the rotational activity happening from our upper body. There it is. Also getting a mini arm workout in here because my triceps definitely feel it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and done. Moving along, we have overhead reach, side pull down. Basically, we are going to be reaching as high as we can, slight bend over, and then we are reaching down to the ground. So we're targeting both sides of our body here. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So you're reaching and down. Reaching. Boom. We'll start one side and then we'll switch to the other. And 3, 2, 1, let's switch. Reaching and down. These are also very functional too. All right, where we don't have to be in the weights, just being all rigid or whatever. We're actually using our whole body. So we're getting our flexibility, our mobility, everything. 3, 2, 1, and done. Last, we have some toe taps. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Just bring those feet out in front of you. Tap your toes. You don't have to have a straight leg, right? Keep that knee bent. You could go more to the side of your foot, right? More like this, or you can go more in front. Whatever you feel like you need to work on, right? So this is this version, and this is this. Whatever you want to do, but feel the crunch, feel the burn. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Grab some water. We got set 2 coming up. Come on, this is day 9. We are pushing ourselves. Let's get it. Cross-body knee drive. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, switch.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Three, 2, 1, done. Side reach crunch. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Core rotation. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Overhead reach with side pull down. 3, 2, 1, go. Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. Three, 2, 1, done. Toe tap. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Great job, 2 sets down, 1 to go. You know the drill. Steel yourself, get ready. It's time to burn some fat right now. Crossbody knee drive. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, switch.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Three, 2, 1, done. Side reach crunch. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Core rotation. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Overhead reach with side pull down. 3, 2, 1, go. Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. Three, 2, 1, done. Toe tap, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. And there you have it. That is your muffin top fat burn. Give yourself one of these and one of these, because you earned it, my friend. Thank you so much for joining me on this workout. Tomorrow's day 10. Can you believe it? It's gonna be awesome. You got 5 more days left. You got this. I believe in you, and you should believe in yourself. Stick with us. 5 more days. You got this. I'll see you later. So stay strong, my friend. Peace.